Hello friends, welcome to Study with Tech. Today we will discuss about mind mapping for study. So guys, let's start the video. First point is, what is mind mapping? Mind mapping is nothing but a diagram. It is a visual map of your ideas. How to use mind map in study notes? You can easily memorize big topics through mind map. Simply take the central subject and then organize your notes around this point. It's an effective technique. It helps in your better understanding and learning the information. Let's see some benefits of mind map. Easy to generate ideas, save time, require less writing, easy to memorize. So guys, you should also use mind map in your study notes. If you enjoy the video, please like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye bye.